I spend a lot of my time arguing on the phone with insurance companies to cover this medication or cover this procedure. So much of my day is wasted simply on bureaucratic paperwork. And all of that goes to the coffers of the private health insurance companies that make a lot of money denying healthcare to people. And for me, it's a daily struggle for folks to get the care that they need. I had a gentleman who saw me a few months ago, a 55-year-old guy who had hypertensive emergency, basically shocked his kidneys. He had to go on dialysis 3 times a week. He couldn't work because of this, so he lost his job, he lost his insurance, he lost his house when he wasn't able to pay his rent, and then unfortunately his fiance left him while he was in the hospital. He showed up to see me in a clinic and he said, "Dr. Bruno, I feel like the rug has been pulled out from under me. I've lost everything I've worked my entire life for, and now I have nothing." Folks like him are a prime example. There's so many more just like him who are falling through the cracks of a broken healthcare system every single day. And that's why I'm fighting hard and supporting Bernie Sanders and the Medicare for All bill so that we can cover every single person in our country. If we get a Medicare for All system, you will be able to see any doctor that you want to because they'll all be paid by the same insurer, and that is Medicare. Medicare system is a very efficient system. There's a single payer, the government, so we submit our claims at the end of the month and we get paid to see the patients. There's not a lot of different plans. There's not a lot of back and forth arguing with the insurance companies every single day. I think the will is there. The latest polls from last summer show that 70% of Americans agree that we should have Medicare for all. Doctors also agree. We surveyed Maryland doctors last fall, and 61% of Maryland doctors agree that we should have a single payer Medicare for all type system. The barriers are simply political, and we're building a movement here, and I think that if we can all come together and say this is the kind of system that we want to practice in, and these are the kind of patients that we want to take care of, every single person in this country, then we'll get past the political barriers and we'll get a universal healthcare system in America.